Hi guys, I'm James, and in our today's video we're going to see how you can go about removing image backgrounds. Okay, so in our for this example we're going to use two photos. We've got the flamingo one with a simple white background, and then we've also got a little bit complicated one with whereby we've got chickens on a slab, and then we've got a gradient like blue background. Okay, so these are the two pictures that we're going to try now this tool with. Now this tool isn't your Photoshop. It isn't Photoshop, it's a free online tool that will be doing this with. So the first thing, let's first of all download our photos, starting with the chicken one, then the flamingo, and then let's now go to our tool. That tool is remove.bg. Now this website will be helping you remove backgrounds automatically in just one single click. In fact, two, because the second one is just like completing the first one. But anyway, we'll first of all start with our flamingo image, then move on to the a little bit complicated chickens one. Okay, let's start with the flamingo. As you can see, only two clicks, and their AI is going to sort out and find out what is the background and it's going to remove it for you. Like you've seen, it's just done it. Now the flamingo, that white background has just been removed. Now you can do this with, maybe you've got a logo that has got a background you don't need. You can just come to this tool and just remove it. Now let's check out now the second image. Click on the remove background button, and then similarly to the first one, we're going just to click on there. We're just going to upload it. The first click is just to click on it to choose, that is to choose a file, select, and then just confirm it. Well, it's a 3-click process, but me, who's counting, right? And as you can see, even with the complicated chickens image, it has removed that background and also figured out that we might not even be needing that slab, and it removed the slab also. Anyway, now another thing I would love to mention is that you can also swap that background for something else. Once you've removed that background, you can click on edit, and then from here you're going to, from the background section, we're going to find a few options. That is a few backgrounds that you've been given that you could select automatically to use as your new background, like that one. And then you also have that option of uploading your own background from your computer. Okay, and then you can also add a few blur effect just to make it all nice, and even make it, but it's not, the blur effect isn't coming through with that background. Let's choose another one to demonstrate that. Now as you can see, the blur effects is showing up on this one. Now you can clearly now see it's being applied. Okay, on this tab over here we've got the erase, whereby you can just erase the brush size. You can just click, choose, then just, maybe you don't want something, you can just simply just remove it. You don't want something from the image, you can just simply just remove it. And then, like for instance, that hen, we didn't, was an example, but it had its toe cut, so I don't think it would make a lot of big difference. Just like that, we just removed one of the chickens. Okay, another thing, was also another tab here that will restore that image to however you wanted it. As you can see, when you just do it like this, you are restoring everything, even the platform. So say you wanted the platform not to be removed, you can just come and simply just extend that, just like that. So if there's any portion you don't want removed, you can just simply come to the restore section, choose it, and simply just drag that brush. You can also increase that brush size to be as big or as little as you want to ensure that you're doing the task that you want to do as fast only as you choose. Anyway, that is it, and once you are happy, and just simply just click on the download button and it will be downloaded right to your computer. Okay. So now the good thing I should mention is that with remove.bg you won't get their watermark on your final image. So that's the good thing about them, because other options you'll find that on top of helping you remove that background, they will add to your troubles by also banning their own watermark over there, and then that's also another complicated issue to start removing their watermark. So I've tested quite a number of websites, and remove.bg actually is far the best when it comes to removing backgrounds effortlessly, and also featuring a few easier customization options that you could use. Anyway, simply just click on the download, or click on the download, it will also download. So as you can see, okay, let's just confirm that we don't have the watermark. As you can see, there is no watermark anyway. Obviously with this, we did this while we were trying to the eraser tool and whatnot, but anyway, you saw basically all the things that you needed to see. Now the other option is for you to go to remove.bg and play around with it until you are good and proficient with it, and then this is the tool you'll be using. Obviously, say you are running your own e-com store, and you want you've got a few product images that you'd want that their backgrounds removed. You don't have to pay anyone, just come to remove.bg and upload them and remove them one at a time, and you'll be done. Anyway, I hope that this video was valuable to you, and if so, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. Until next time guys, stay blessed.